Website optimization for conversions. A website is a business's virtual storefront, but just existing online isn't enough. To thrive, your website must become a well-oiled machine of persuasion, converting visitors not by chance but by design. Unveil your audience insights. Understanding your audience gives you a strategic advantage in converting visitors. Define user personas through analytics, social listening, and behavior tracking. Tailor your content, refine your targeting, and empathize with your customer's journey. Demographic profiling is crucial. Identify key factors like age, gender, location, and income. Dive deep into the tapestry of your visitors through demographic segmentation. Armed with these insights, sculpt your marketing campaigns with precision. Behavioral data analysis enables an empirical approach. Establish key performance indicators like time on site and conversion rates. Use tools like Google Analytics to gather data, segment visitors, and analyze user flows. Implement A/B testing to determine the most effective strategies for conversion improvement. Craft impactful messages. Choose your website design and words carefully, positioning your offerings as solutions to your customers' challenges. Highlight benefits and create a strong alignment between your product and your customers' needs. Develop a unique brand voice that fosters consistency and familiarity. Enhance your value proposition. Analyze your offering from the consumer's perspective. Communicate unique benefits with clarity. Your value proposition should be adaptable, evolving with market trends and customer feedback. Establish your value proposition as the definitive answer to your customers' needs. Emotional persuasion is key. Use strategic colors, personalized storytelling, and emotionally driven language to connect with visitors. Balance emotional appeals with logistical assurances to strengthen the likelihood of conversion. Enhance the user experience, UX, combining UI design principles with UX best practices to create an intuitive interface. Invest in responsive web design to ensure adaptability across devices. Prioritize accessibility to widen your reach and embrace inclusivity. Streamline navigation design. Simplify your menu to reduce cognitive load. Use a flat architecture to ensure essential content is within 3 clicks from the homepage. Tailor your navigation to your target demographics' preferences. Mobile optimization is non-negotiable. Ensure your responsive design, touch-friendly navigation, speed optimization, and clear calls to action. Simplify forms and make content accessible. Speed is critical. Even a few seconds delay can reduce conversions. Maximize landing page potential. Combine concise headlines, value-orientated propositions, and prominent calls to action. Use tools like heat mapping to analyze interactions and make data-driven decisions to improve effectiveness. Tailored call to actions are crucial. Use precise language and strategic placement to guide users. Personalize CTAs based on user data and behavior patterns for higher conversion rates. A/B testing sharpens your website. Compare 2 versions of a web element to gather insights. Focus on a single hypothesis and ensure statistical significance. Embrace findings with a mindset of ongoing improvement. Optimize your website for conversions and transform your digital presence into a powerful tool for business growth. Embrace these strategies and embark on a journey of continuous improvement. Thanks for watching and start converting today.